Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Reddit ads account for lead generation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Reddit ads account. Navigate to the campaigns section in the dashboard. Click on the button to create a new campaign. Select the objective for your campaign. For lead generation, choose the option specifically designed for collecting leads. Name your campaign something recognizable. Set the campaign budget according to your marketing strategy. Determine the schedule for your campaign. Next, move on to the ad group settings. Select the targeting options that best fit your audience. You can choose by demographics, interests, or location. Adjust the bidding settings to align with your budget. Now, create your ad creative. Upload engaging visuals or videos that attract attention. Craft compelling ad copy that clearly states your offer. Include a strong call to action to encourage signups. Make sure to add a lead capture form link. Review all settings and details to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks good, click Submit to launch your campaign. Monitor your campaign performance regularly. Analyze metrics like click-through rates and conversions. Adjust your strategy based on the performance data gathered. Optimize your ads for better results as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.